Hello guys, I hope you had a great week, and I am here to update you again, always charting with you guys. And if you guys watched the video last week, I hope you guys all made a ton of money, because I believe there was at least like a 200-point drop in the market after that video. So if you did make money, congrats to you. If you didn't, make sure to pay attention to these videos. Hopefully it helps you, not financial advice, but we're gonna get into charting right now and see where the market may bring us this week. But again, last week, millionaire market shortcoming, and that was at what? 3964. The market is now at 387. I know there was a huge pop. People or haters are gonna say, hey, there was a huge pop, X, Y, and Z, and exactly, there was a huge pop when I was short. Thank God callsorputs.com saved me in our private callsorputs.com channel. As you can see here, I believe Armin, if I just search this word, because I was in a short, and I saw a golden sweep on callsorputs.com, and that Armin, I believe, posted, but maybe I should just do this. Let's see. Armin posted a golden IWM call, I believe it was. IWM, nope, not this one. Calls or puts, IWM golden call here. On 11/29, I believe a golden call. This one, I believe, maybe. Anyways, it came in and I was like, crap. I hate when this happens, when I'm in a short position and callsorputs.com basically says, like, you know, chill out because you are probably gonna lose. And again, this is a platform I use, I trust, and I created to curate to my trading style. Actually, I don't think that was the one, because this is 11/29. It was here recently. I just don't know. I didn't know it was minimal. It's probably here. Yep, so here. On 12/12, I said FUCK. Hopefully the video doesn't get taken down for that. I spelled it out instead of said it, but this was an IWM golden call, I believe, right before FOMC for $3.3 million, and I was like, crap, I am in puts right now. And it was at a minor loss, and I saw that, and I was like, yep, I am getting out. So I got out of my puts, and I actually, this week and last week, I am green. As I always show you guys my TradeZilla thing to show you guys the progress. Only up $4,400 this week. But again, I literally reduced the size of my trades by a whole like 0. So instead of 10 contracts, let's say I take 1, vice versa. So to be honest, this is probably like a $45,000 month if I traded the same size as I've done prior. But again, like I tell you guys, I am trying to improve, and I haven't had a Monday or Friday that was red. I mean, this one obviously, and it's impossible to just stay green every Monday and Friday. But as you can see, the improvement is there, where I'm cutting down on losses drastically. The winners, you could clearly see they're larger than the losers, you know, a few $100s versus 500, 600. This was a great day, in my opinion. This is a $90 gain, but to me, that was a great day. That was me saying, hey, I'm not going to continue trading anymore. I'm done for the day. I'm green, and I don't want to keep going. As you can see, 9 trades. That's a lot of trades for a day. So at that point, you know, I was like, stop, and that was the best decision I've ever made, and I'm super proud of myself for doing that. So I hope that teaches you guys something. Don't always need a killer day. You just got to be disciplined, know when it is time to stop. And that's what I'm trying to master lately, and it's been going quite all right. Even a 4,500 month, and the month's not even done yet. And this is enough to basically cover a day job if necessary. So it's really here to show you guys that it is possible. And I always say trade with the right tools, whether it's with us at Chance Trades or callsorputs.com, and even TradeZella. And I don't see any competition. You know, this was something I wanted to create prior. I never got to it, but again, this is me showing you guys I trade with the right tools. I use TradeZella, and they're not paying me anything. And I am paying, I believe, $50 a month for TradeZella. Why do I do it? You know, some people would say, why? I would pay $50. I'm a profitable trader, and these are expenses that I need to pay. I need to be able to see my trades. Found it super useful that I'm able to look at all my trades in a calendar, know what days I were read, and that's what made me discover that I'm actually read on Monday and Fridays all the time, as you can see here. Monday, Friday, Monday, Monday. So that's what made me work, you know, with this. And I always say trade with the right tools, so you never get me being hypocritical about that. This is a $50 a month that I have to spend, just like callsorputs.com and Chance Trades. This is a tool I created, and the price is going up. This new year, it's coming up. So make sure you subscribe to callsorputs.com or Chance Trades if you want option alerts. Two separate things. Chance Trades is optional alerts where you get access to our channels within the Discord, and callsorputs.com is an option sweep platform. Both of these are supposed to help you, and you're supposed to use as a confluence to your original trading method. I don't want you guys copy trading. I don't want anything like that. I want you guys to improve in trading. I always say that in my Discord. Stop copy trading. The levels are there for you guys to see. The levels are there for you guys to improve. And everyone has a different trading style. Sadly, as you can see here, this is teachable. I am starting a course. And I always wanted to not start a course, but people are asking me, like, how am I doing it? Wait, sorry, let me reply to a text. We are already there. So yeah, I'm starting a course, but it's because I feel like people overcomplicate trading. It's not that hard. It is hard, but it's not that hard, and it just requires discipline. Discipline, 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 and following your plan. Anyways, let's get right into it and chart where the market might go. As you can see, these were like little things I added to show a trade that I took on Friday, and something that's gonna be on the course. But as of right now, I know a lot of FinSwip people are saying that we may potentially rebound because it's already been what, three red days, but this one is a major reversal here. But again, we reject this trend line. So when we reject a trend line like this, it's like, to me, that was the most bearish thing on earth, because it's like we're up 120, I think it was 120 or even more. And then all of a sudden, like, we erased almost everything. And we got some continuation as we thought it would. So let me just clear it as of right now and see where we may go from here. So I believe that we already broke below this trend line, and yes, we did. And where are we going next? So my first target, and I also wanted it to tag here, which it didn't, but 3849. I'm still bearish. Can we get a retracement? More than likely, it is possible, but 2-hour demand level, I believe, actually, if I show you guys, I gotta freaking basically go back to where I erased the stuff. But so I was telling the group to watch this level, and we got a nice rejection. So I do think we might get some continued downside. Maybe this is a wedge as an ending diagonal for the downside, but maybe. I am not too sure, but as you can see here, if I just type watch, and this is why it's so important to trade with the right team, not to copy trade, but the fact that you could have it there so that you could be like, okay, I'm thinking of going short, and boom, you know, chance set to watch 3892, as you can see here, yesterday at 315. Before we got there, this is the 5-minute chart, and if we look at the 5-minute chart, literally, this is what happened, and we tagged that level. From there, we rejected a total of 26 points. So if you guys know anything about futures, you guys already know 26 points is technically approximately $1,500 per lot. So that's a lot of money. And it wasn't a trade I took, unfortunately, because I was a little preoccupied with another business thing that I was doing. But I am short going into the weekend. I can be wrong, and I hate taking trades like that, which I have alerted. You know, be careful. I said this will be a swing more than likely. This is a zero or hero, and very risky. Over 150 point move already. I'm just looking for ES to tag 3811. So we are still somewhat far from there. Really like that end of day rejection, but let's go ahead and clear the stuff as of right now and look at what is to come. So I don't really see anything liquid because remember this whole gap, like this was a huge gap. If we go to SPY, you'll be able to see it a little more clear. This was a huge gap, I believe, on hopes of the pivot. And it goes all the way down here at 377. So that's a long way down to go. It's still like $6 on SPY. So a place that I would potentially look to short on SPY if we get back down there is this huge little drop base or drop base drop. So here would be a level I will look to short, which is $4 from where we are. And I am currently targeting this level right here. Maybe I should start using SPY a little more because I know some people don't know the difference between SPY and ES. Very similar, it's just a futures index, but this might be a little easier for you guys to see. So I do think we continue down to fill the gap at 377, or at least that's what I am positioned in. But these are the levels for you guys to watch. Again, no copy trading, but this is definitely something that you guys should see. And always be with an open mind as to trading. So this is potentially what could possibly happen into the market. Get something like this, boom, boom, and tag this level. I'm looking for it to go down here, and then we get some reaction and bring us back up. And then probably more than that. I think after 5 waves down, I think there's 1, 2, 3. Maybe 4, choppy, 5 down in terms of Elliott wave. And then after that, we're probably going to head up. Let's just say this is the final move that we get down. If we were to do like a fib retracement from there, usually wave 2 retraces to the 0.5 or 61. So probably looking for something around here to short. But that's what I'm going to watch. As of right now, I want to see the market give me a little more as to where it may go. Some of you guys probably saw the chart comparison between 2008 and now, which is pretty scary. And this is the moves that catch people. So like people think there's going to be a rebound and it just continues to dump if it does. And they're like, shoot, I got to sell, sell, sell. And that's what causes, quote unquote, capitulation. And that's what I'm looking for. I got some long-term short positions now as well because I don't want to miss that move. But again, I've said it. I am like, I think on the macro watch list, I believe. I think the long-term short, let's see, short, medium, and long-term bearish before all of this happened. Let's see. I think as of right now, I said short term, mid, let's see. I said short term, mid, and long term, we are bearish. And that's exactly where I still stand as of right now. But again, these are weekly videos. They're meant to help you guys, guide you a little as to what may happen in the market. But if you're looking for intraday updates every single day, make sure to go to Chance Trades. Again, all these prices are going up at the end of the year. So 20, 50, and 1,500. I might actually even remove this. Not too sure. Or at least raise this to like $5,000. Not sure exactly what the prices will be. But this would definitely go up near 100. This is probably going to go up to 40-ish. And same with callsreputs.com. I think it's currently 65. It's probably all going to be around the 100 or similar to Chance Trades. So make sure if you guys do get a membership, get it before the year end. And you guys will be grandfathered in with the same price that you guys got in at. So Good luck to you guys. I hope you guys find this video useful. Make sure to drop a comment, like, and share the video with people you care about. Obviously, there was a lot of money that could have been made by you guys, and I hope you guys took advantage of it. I hope I am helpful. Again, these videos are free. Stay tuned for my course. I really hated courses back then, and I think a lot of these people who don't even trade for a living are making courses, but I think people overcomplicate trading, and hopefully I solve it for you guys. And I titled the course "A Simpler Way of Trading" or something like that. A simpler way to trade. I don't stand behind the computer. Again, I am here for freedom. I don't stand behind the computer from 9 to 4. I really, literally just go into the chat probably 9:30 to 11 and then go do whatever I gotta do, then come back at the end of the day if necessary. Majority of the time I'm just on my phone. I'm not here for another job, and I hope you guys aren't either. I'm here for freedom, and I hope I could help you guys obtain that freedom as well. So have a good one, y'all. I think Merry Christmas, because I'm not I think Christmas is probably next week. I'm not too sure, but yeah, Merry Christmas, y'all. Bye-bye.